Introducing Caro Smart Switch to make your busy life easier. The Smart Switch turns your existing ceiling fan into a smart fan.
Alexa, turn the fan speed to level 3.
It works with Google Home, Alexa, and Siri. The Smart Switch can replace any existing switches for your ceiling fan. Caro Smart Switch can be also controlled with the Caro Home app on your smartphone. Control your fans and lights however you want to with just a few finger taps.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Caro, smart life stays in motion.